Hello friends, in this video, the Pathfinder strategy, trading from the edges of a flat range and reversals. We will break down the logic, the indicators, the entry conditions, and 2 real trades in practice. Pathfinder is built around sideways movement and bounces from the range boundaries. A trade is considered only when the price approaches a Bollinger Bands boundary, is confirmed by the moving average, and aligns with the relative strength index. 3 indicators are used on the chart. Simple moving average shows the direction of the current or emerging trend. Bollinger Bands help identify a flat. In a sideways market, the bands are more horizontal. They also provide a reference for breakouts and bounces from the boundaries. Relative Strength Index evaluates overbought and oversold conditions. A zone above 70 is overbought. Below 30 is oversold. In this example on the chart, Relative Strength Index is set to a period of 9. Simple Moving Average and Bollinger Bands are already added to the working chart. Before entering, also check confirmation in vfxAlert. The service signals are not a standalone command to trade, but a filter for the strategy conditions. A buy entry is considered when all of the following points match. First, the price and the simple moving average bounce from the lower Bollinger Bands boundary, a touch of the lower band and a reversal upward. Second, the price and the simple moving average cross the middle Bollinger Bands line from bottom to top. Third, Relative Strength Index is directed upward or exits the oversold zone, that is, it rises above the 30 level. Only after these conditions match does a buy trade make sense. Then check confirmation in vfxAlert. A sell entry is considered in a mirror way. First, the price and the simple moving average bounce from the upper Bollinger Bands boundary, a touch of the upper band, and a reversal downward. Second, the price and the simple moving average cross the middle Bollinger Bands line from top to bottom. Third, Relative Strength Index is directed downward or exits the overbought zone, that is, it falls below the 70 level. And again, first the full set of strategy conditions, then confirmation through vfxAlert. First, the indicator settings and the working chart are shown on the platform. The expiration is 1 minute, and the trade amount is $200. A setup is being searched across pairs, the price position relative to Bollinger Bands, the behavior of simple moving average, and the direction of Relative Strength Index are checked. The first trade is a sell on EUR-JPY. The price was near the upper band zone after a rise. Relative Strength Index was in the upper area and did not support further growth. By Pathfinder logic, this is a downward scenario. A sell trade of $200 is opened with a payout of plus 65%. The second trade is a buy on USD-CAD. After a decline, the price approached the lower Bollinger Band zone, an upward reversal began to form, and Relative Strength Index turned up from the lower area. These are conditions for an upward entry. A buy trade of $200 is opened with a payout of plus 47%. At the end, the trade history is shown. Both entries worked according to the strategy scenario. Pathfinder is trading from flat boundaries and reversals. Bollinger Bands define the zones. Simple moving average confirms the direction, and Relative Strength Index filters out weak entries. Use vfxAlert as additional confirmation, not as the only argument. Maintain discipline. Enter only when all conditions match, with clear risk management. If this material was useful, subscribe to the channel and try vfxAlert. The links are in the video description.